YouTube, welcome to Rural Steel. I'm Dill.
I'm Pate.
And today we will be fixing this go-kart up and shredding the driveway.
Okay, here it is. All its glory.
Let's get this thing to the shop.
Higher. There now.
Here's the one I destroyed. Here's the new one.
Okay, so first we gotta fit the rims to the tires. Unfortunately, these nice aluminum rims that we have are not gonna fit on the tube that we bought, so we're gonna have to grind a little bit off. Give up on hand tools, so we're going with power tools.
Hi guys, how you doing?
Okay, so I managed to lose some of the hardware to this wheel, so we went and got some replacements for it, and we're putting it together now.
Finally putting on the tires.
Need the ratchet on this one. Oh, come on. Put this pink thing on me. Alright, now we're ready to fill them with air.
Bumping the tire, bumping the tire. Come on.
What's the switch at?
Put some back into it. We got a cold clutch.
Yep, the clutch is cold. Okay then, so the past couple of attempts have failed. We're going to try one more time and see if we can get it going with a push start. So, yeah. Give it some gas. Here. No, not all the way. Not full throttle. Oh, heck. Okay, so as you saw there, we kind of started burning the clutch up, and it is crazy hot right now. So yeah, we can't do any more riding tonight. So yeah, that's all for now.
So today we are planning on doing more riding, but the tube in this tire decided to make it miserable. So you can take a look.
It's all twisted sideways, probably from our last ride. So it's all deflated now, so it might not be any good. Only just got it fixed and everything, you know, so yay.
Let's pump it. Pump it real good.
Alright, so the plan here, we're going to try and start it inside the shop to see if we can get the clutch to cooperate, because it's not been doing so well. And yeah. Let's start down there. Go. Almost. Go again.
Just get off on it.
Go again. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I told you.
Yeah.
I'm the lucky one. You're muddy! He got soaked!
That was loads of fun. My legs are cold now though. Look at this. That's so cool. See?
This is Farming 101. I can't see where I'm running! Ah, with that drift! That's sick.
Something doesn't sound right. I hope that's not drowning it out. Oh, come on. Goodness. So, the go-kart just stopped on Dylan. I'm thinking that it keeps stopping, my guess. But I'm guessing the water keeps getting into the switch and kind of shorting it out.
Can we try again?
Yeah, we're gonna try.
I wish I would have went first so he didn't cover the mud for me.
Oh, but it feels nice, doesn't it, on the snow?
I didn't try to go in the puddles because I ain't close.
Oh, that was the coolest thing. Oh, that was great. Look at me. Look at me! Okay, we're going back to the workshop.
Taking me to the puddle.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.